Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something that came by way of the folks at Exotic Nudes. Go to exoticnudes.com and use the coupon code RamenRaider15 for 15% off your order. That's not bad. And I got this stuff. This is by Wang, Jang. Korean, and it is noodles with black bean sauce, and it comes with a nice little lid. So let's see what we got here. Actually, I need that. Okay, so yeah, right there. So take everything out. Okay, you need the. So it's nice. This one's nice because you can just like peel everything off. Noodles. Some sachets and of those is a sauce. Need. And then we've got a powder. And this, which is flake. Yeah, dried flakes. We need that, and we need this to start off. So today, it's a gloomy day outdoors. Clouds are overhead. On my walk this morning, I sprinkled on. But on the bright side, school will not be back in session at the beginning of the in fall. That is a load off our minds. We were waiting to find out that, hey, you have to send your kid back to school. That's the rules. They said, nope, 100% distance learning to start out. Because right now, yeah, it just ain't time yet around here. I don't know the numbers for Washington, but I know there's a lot of people that are just like, and I think it's not just here, but everywhere. There's people that'll follow the rules and people who won't. And the people who won't are making it tough for all of us. So follow the damn rules. A mega pack. That smells like there's fish going on. And bonito and different things. Yeah. My wife would detest this. She would be like, it smells like fish. She doesn't sound like a weird deranged redneck pirate, I swear to God. But you put boiling water, or not boiling, but hot water. You put the lid on lightly, and you're supposed to microwave it for 3 minutes, and it doesn't mention the wattage. I'm guessing it's not going to be at 1,000 watts, that's for sure. Or the wattage of my microwave, which is like 1,250. I'm guessing this is thinking that it's going to be at 800. Because if the water's already hot, you really don't have that far to go to boil. So what I'm going to do, rest the lid on top. I'm going to go with 70%, because each 10 should be 125 watts. So 125 times 2 would be 1,000. Maybe I should have done 60. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. It should go swimmingly. But yeah, it's a real load off our minds that our kids don't have to go to school. Although, I mean, it's just like, we really, really want them to go to school. That's the thing that sucks. It's like they would love to be in school. They'd be so happy. They're so sick of us. And to be honest, you know, it'd be nice to actually have some time, like, without the screaming. But yeah, they do need to get back to school, but they need to make sure that people just need to get rid of the sick. Come on, sciencers. I know, you're working on it. Come on. Faster, faster, faster. Went out and walked this morning. Still feeling kind of crappy. I don't know. It's just like I can't get motivated about much of anything. I feel it's just kind of like meh kind of thing, which is very un-me. That week, I swear, that week I took off after I did 1,000,000 steps really did a number on me. I mean, I did like, went from doing like 30 to 40,000 steps a day to doing 0. And it's like my system was just like, who do you think you are? It's like whiplash. But yeah, and last week I did 202,000 in a week, which is still a lot, but I just wanted to beat this one guy, and I did, so that's cool. So I beat the guy, I got my 1,000,000 steps, I did the 2020 miles in 2020, that got done middle last month, and next month, I want to try to do, because 1,000,000 steps in a month was 471 miles. I want to try to be able to do 500 miles of walking in 1 month. That's about 125 miles a week. 125 divided by 7 would be, oh God. Well, it's less than 20 a day. If I do 15 a day, that's 125. So I have to do like 32,000 steps a day. I could do it. That's tricky though, because you gotta end up with a day off once in a while. We'll see. The challenge. The challenge. Well, the bright side I'm seeing here is it didn't spatter all over the place. And I'm guessing these fresh noodles are good because, I mean, hey, these things are pretty much cooked already. You don't have to... Sweet mother, my poor thumb. Buh. Ah. Ooch. There's some really cool tracks that I end up with. This one's alright. I wish I could just play you all the music I'd like to play for you, because I've got some really cool stuff, but then it'll get not played and all this. It's too hard. It's like too intangible to know what YouTube's going to approve of and what they won't. And it's pretty obvious most of the stuff that I want to play for you is going to be copyrighted. Which, you know. Goo. That's a goo. It's getting eponymous up in here, folks. Yeah, with the goo. Now look at this. Here's black bean sauce. If you've never seen it before. Oh, no wonder you need to get tightened down. There you go. Look at this stuff. It's like, gah! I did a video with my daughter yesterday because I was like, I'm gonna put on some Star Trek. She's like, no, Papa. She sounds like an angry, violent version of Smurfette. Smurfette's like, oh, Gargamel, oh. She's just like, ah, ah, ah. I hear that they're like really being quiet right now. They're like, what the heck is he talking about? That's all right. Well, this is what I'm talking about. Jang. You may have tried the non-fresh noodle varieties from South Korea. Chapaghetti, chacharoni, jjajangmyeon, or jjajangmyeon. Oh, every company in South Korea has a jjajang. Not bad. Now, I'm not finding... Are there peas and carrots in here? What's that? What's that? Come back here. It's hard to find anything in this crazy dark colored mix of worms. Is it meat? I've had ones that have had like potato and peas and corn or carrot, all sorts of things. It's good though. What am I gonna add to this? You're wondering, what am I going to add? My brother does that all the time. I think it's rad. It's to be like if you said, I just made a sandwich. How did I make the sandwich? Or what was on the sandwich? He'll like ask the question for you. I think that's an East Coast thing. Specifically like Northeast Coast. I think it's funny. He's a character, man. I've got a problem that I was bouncing off of him today. And the deal is I've got, my son, he's autistic, and he really likes on Zoom meetings. So there's like the full screen of whoever's talking, and then there's your little local window of you talking, and that little local window, he likes to make faces so he can see himself make faces. Which as soon as he does that, all learning stops. It's like, he'll just be like, I mean, he just will not stop doing it. And so I've got a friend who did the Ramen Raider app, and I was like, all we need is like an overlay, just like a little rectangle that'll go on top of that little stationary live window. And that's it. It doesn't need to do anything else. Really doesn't need to move. It needs to be locked into place. If you touch it, nothing happens. And just maybe like a toggle, like an on-off switch. He was talking about maybe making it so you could expand and like put it where you want, set it all up perfect, and then go in and click lock, and then it won't move. Nothing you do to it will move it or do anything to it. Like, that's cool. That'd work, especially if you want to use it on different versions different phones. I'm thinking though, in the fall, I'm going to end up with probably using an iPad from the school district for them. So I don't know. He says he doesn't know how to do iOS. So, but if that does not happen, at least it'll work for Android. But I like that. But yeah, no, like, well, I should try getting a hold of the people at Zoom. Forget it. It ain't happening. I tried their phone number. Due to the COVID outbreak, blah, 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 blah. But if you have a corporate account with us, enter that number now. It's like, okay, I don't have a corporate account with the Zoom people. And then I'm like, okay, so I'll just do the online ticketing system. We're sorry, but we're not answering things due to the COVID. Unless you have a corporate account, then we'll talk to you. It's like, unless I'm like, they're into me for a bunch of cash, it really sucks. But I mean, the amount of people that are using Zoom currently, they would have to have like a whole building of just people dealing with customer service issues. Some people are like, well then maybe they should, but it's just like, you don't understand. That's a lot. I don't think they were such a big company before somebody decided to use them for their meetings. I really don't know. Well, let's rotato. Let's get it on. Here we go. Crap! We can't get it on yet, folks. I forgot a sachet. What is it? What is this sachet? See, I'm doing it. I'm guessing it's pepper powder. Oh yeah, this is a spicy pepper powder. Which means now I gotta try it. Now it has a slight worms and dirt look to it. I don't know. Give it a try. That was close though. That's happened to me a couple times. I liked it so much better before that. It's like a really earthy, mushroomy, spicy stuff. That like killed it for me. Wow. Even if that was a little more muted because it was all through everything. No. Well, Jang, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.